Football is where we go. TVJ Sports understands that Jamaica's appeal against Captain Khadija Shaw's red card against France in their Group F match at the FIFA World Cup on Sunday was not reviewed by the FIFA Disciplinary Committee based on the competition rules, which state that there were no grounds for an appeal. Shaw picked up a second yellow card in second half stoppage time, but after appealing the decision, the Jamaicans were told in a report by head of FIFA's judicial body, Julian Adus, that such decisions are final and not subject to appeal. The Jamaican delegation was pointed to Article 9.1 of the FIFA Disciplinary Code in accordance with decisions taken by the referee on the field of play, which are final and may not be reviewed by the FIFA judicial bodies. Additionally, the judicial body said that no protests may be made about the referee's decisions regarding facts connected with play. The appeal cost the JFF $1,200. All players, including Shaw, trained on Wednesday evening, Australia time, and they're based in Melbourne and will take a three and a half hour flight on Thursday to Perth, where they'll play Panama on Saturday.